Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here and today we are going to unbox the latest Mi Band 3. Let's get going.
Swag, bitch.
Alright guys, so this is the Mi Band 3 which came in last day. Now the thing is, I ordered this one on 19th of September when this was not available in India. So I had to order it from gearbest.com. I'll give the link in the description below. Basically, Gearbest is an international website more like AliExpress or Banggood, I don't know. You can find a lot of stuff in this website which hasn't been released in India or any other country but is released in China. If you want me to make a video about shopping from these international websites, let me know down in the comment section. Alright, moving on. Right after I ordered this, Xiaomi launched this one in India in collaboration with Amazon.in few days back. This is priced at $19.99 in Amazon. I bought it at a lower price, but I also had to pay a little extra for shipping charges. So in total I paid around rupees 2187. Yeah, I know I should have bought this from here only when this was launched in India by Xiaomi. Now packaging wise, it was not that great. There was only one plastic bag which had the box, and we have this thin plastic covering which I'll get rid of, but there were no bubble wraps inside that bag. Now here is the Mi Band 3 box. This is a pretty clean looking box and the packaging is really nice. There are no brandings on the sides, although it's a little damaged. Now there is a Mi branding on the top of the box, but no branding on the sides, and another one at the bottom. And at the back we can find some general information. Obviously these will be in Chinese, so we cannot understand any of these, but we can read the numbers. As you can see, it is 5 atmospheric pressure water resistant, like it is resistant up to 50 meters of depth. And here you can find information about the battery, mAh, and those general information. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. Before unboxing, let's take a quick look at the spec sheet. Now this has a 0.78 inch OLED display which is now touch sensitive. The screen resolution is 80 by 128 pixels with a pixel density of 194 ppi. The battery is 110 mAh, which is an improvement from the Mi Band 2 which only had 70 mAh battery. Alright, enough of chit chat, let's get the real deal. Now here I see a pull tab and I'm just gonna grab that and pull the top cover off the box. Now it should come off quite easily. Now I'm pulling it off like that. Now we see the fitness tracker right in the middle, but how do I take that off? Here is the pull tab, so there is the fitness tracker. Now let's keep that aside, and underneath that we have the watch band. Now it's a silicone band and looks quite tough, but we'll check that out a bit later. Let's see what do we get inside the box. Here we have the user manual, I guess, but let's see what's inside this compartment right here. I think it should be the charging cable, and yes it is. Now this is the charging cable, and here you can see the two connectors which should charge your tracker by connecting it to a USB type A adapter. Also we have the user manual, which is probably in Chinese, the whole book. Yes it is, but here you can find all the diagrams of how to fit your tracker inside the bracelet, but I don't need that, it's in Chinese and I know all of it. So let's get this box out of the way now and take a look at the tracker itself. Alright, here is the Mi Band 3 fitness tracker. It has the heart rate sensor at the back with the Mi branding down here. Now the design is quite familiar. It is similar to the Mi Band 2 or the Mi Band HRX edition, just that now it has a curved display instead of a flat one. So this is quite firmly fixed inside of this cardboard piece. Now let's get this out of there, and just like that it is in our hands, and the size is really small. There is a sticker on the front and the weight is just negligible, guys. Now let's keep that aside and take a look at the watch strap. This watch strap is made of thermoplastic elastomer material, which is a skin friendly material and allows a more comfortable fit for any wrist size. And as you can see, it is quite long with a many number of holes. Now let's get this out of here and try to fit our sensor inside this watch strap. Now I'm trying to fix this from the top of the watch strap, but maybe I should try putting it from the back. Let's try it. And with a firm tap it fixed itself inside the watch band, and it looks like this. Quite good in my opinion. Now here we have a sticker on the display, so let's get this off. Get off, get off, get off, man. I'm sorry guys, I'm just not great with nails because I don't have any. That's why I'm just struggling with this sticker. Get it off, get 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 off. Alright, get off, man, get off now. Finally, finally, finally. Angel voice, please. Alright, finally it is off the screen now. And as you can see, the watch is already turned on, but it's in Chinese. But from the picture I can assume that it is telling me to connect to my smartphone. Now I'll just get my smartphone and be right back. Alright, here is my iPhone 10, and this tracker pairs up with the Mi Fit app, which can be found in the App Store. So I'll just search for the Mi Fit app right here, and you get the first app in this page, which is the Mi Fit app. It's a free app, guys, both in App Store and in Play Store, and you can download it anytime you want. Now while it is getting downloaded, let's check the size of this app for the iOS version. It's 150.2 MB and it supports Siri, and here you can find some of the screenshots of the UI of the app. And it measures your daily steps, it measures your heart rate, it monitors your sleep. Everything is done with the data which is collected through the Mi Band 3, the fitness tracker that is on your wrist. Alright, the app is downloaded in my device, and let's get into this app and go through the pairing process together on camera. It is asking for the permission to send notifications. I'll allow it. Now I don't have a Mi Fit account as I'm using the app for the first time, so I'll just complete the sign up process and join you after. Alright guys, just finished up with the sign up process. Now I'm just gonna pair my Band 3 with this app. I'll just agree to the permission, and now it is searching for my band right here, so I'll just keep the band near my smartphone. There is a little vibration, so I'll tap the physical button on the sensor and I see a tick mark and see the word pairing. It is asking for the location services. I'll allow it, and as soon as I paired my band, it is updating the firmware of the band, and that is a good thing, guys. So as you can see, the band is also getting there. It's at 10% right now, so I'll just keep it like that and join you guys later when this is finished. Alright guys, so the update has been completed, and now it is giving me instructions on how to use the fitness tracker. As you can see right here, these instructions are quite self-explanatory. Like, you can swipe the screen to switch between items and tap the physical button on the sensor to go back to home, and you can also swipe up to unlock, but it is again updating the resources, and I thought that the update was complete. Alright, let's keep it that way, and I'll come back when this is also finished. Alright, now I think the update has been completed finally. Now it is giving me instructions on how to wear it. I know it. So this is the home screen of the Mi Fit app. The battery percentage is at 23% out of the box, and down here you can find all the options. First is the incoming call option, so I'll just turn that on. It is asking me to pair the band. I'll just pair it. So just tap the pair button, and yeah, got all the information. Okay, now anytime any call comes in my smartphone, the call will also come in my band. Now the time, as you can see, it's 3:08 p.m. It has been synced with my smartphone time. As you can check right here, the smartphone is also showing 3:08 p.m. now, and that is a good thing. Now let's check the other options in the Mi Fit app right here. Now you have all the app list here. You can tap more to see all the app alerts you can get in the in the Mi Band. You have event reminder, you have alerts, you have all types of notification system. So the charge is down to 22%, and now it is asking for Apple Health data access. So I'll just tap OK. In here you can find your data on your sleep. Now I haven't got any data now. Okay, the Apple Health data access screen is here now, so I'll just toggle all the buttons on and tap the done button up top. So now it is synced and ready to go. So you can pull down to refresh the app to give you the latest information. Alright, now let's take a look at the band itself. So you tap to wake it up, and first it shows the time. You tap at the physical button on the sensor and swipe to navigate through the items in the band. As you can see, you can swipe up or down and left or right to toggle between items or menus. Now it also shows the weather from the smartphone itself, and you have the exercise option, and then you have notifications, and then you have more. If you swipe right from the more option, you find the stopwatch, and just hold the physical button and this starts to show you the laps, and you can pause it by touching the screen, and you have to stop this by tapping and holding the physical button again. Now it has the find the device feature, which is a nice feature. So just tap and hold, and it's searching, and I hear a beeping sound in my iPhone 10 right there. Alright, setup is done, features are shown. Now it's time for this bad boy to get on my wrist. So this was the Mi Band 3 from Xiaomi, their latest and greatest fitness tracker at a budget price. If you want to buy this product, check out the links down in the description. And if you're here for the first time, thanks for stopping by, and do subscribe to my channel, guys, as I come up with new tech videos every now and then, and I'll be coming up with the full review of this guy pretty soon. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.